hurricane warning in effect. What? Northeast winds 55 to 75 knots with gusts around 100 knots and seas 12 to 17 feet. Where? Waters from Apalachicola to Mexico Beach, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles. When? Hurricane force winds are likely Tuesday night through Wednesday. Impacts. Extremely strong winds will cause hazardous seas which will likely capsize or damage vessels and severely reduce visibility. Mariners should remain in port, alter course, and or secure the vessel for extreme conditions. These are the 5 p.m.